I have impure sample of glycerin. Since glycerin has higher boiling point and it decomposes on its boiling point, so that we pure it using distillation at reduced pressure. For distillation at reduced pressure, we use round bottom flask having two mouth, Claisen adapter. Since at reduced pressure, much more possibilities of bumping, so that Claisen adapter is utilized. We use vacuum grease at the joint. So that joint fitted one another properly. I used thermometer whose maximum is 250 degree. When I reduce the pressure above the surface of liquid, boiling point of liquid decreases. It causes bubbling, and overheat is one of the problem in distillation of reduced pressure. So I insert a tube which allow the air and maintain the pressure. This having one pinch cork knob. For this distillation, oil vacuum pump is used. Vacuum pump has a vacuum gauze and one self-prepared vacuum releasing unit. I set up all apparatus and checked for leakage. Removing vacuum delivery tube, I inserting impure glycerin. And glycerin having higher viscosity, flow slowly. I start vacuum pump so that glycerin is inserted into the before start heating the liquid. I made vacuum in the system. I release water in water condenser. Again I checked all joint properly for vacuum. Now I started heating the liquid. Temperature at the thermometer increases. Heating is continued. Vapor deposited at the surface of round bottom flask. Temperature approach 180 degrees Celsius. Glycerin, which has much higher boiling point. It is boiling. It start boiling at lower temperature than that its original boiling point, that is 240 degrees Celsius. It is boiling at 240 degrees Celsius, which is much more less than that of its boiling point at 1 atm. Now vapor depositing at the Claisen condenser as well as the inside the water condenser. There is rough and tough relationship between the boiling point and the pressure above the surface of liquid. If boiling point at 1 atmospheric pressure, all liquid has its original boiling point. But when the pressure reduced by 1/2, boiling point of liquid decreases by 10 degrees. If pressure further decreases 1/2, again the boiling point decreases 10 degrees. So pressure releasing rod, capillary, prevent the bumping. Now liquid start boiling. Now receiver jetting. It is difficult to distill higher boiling liquid. So distillation at reduced pressure is preferred. I am working at approximate 0.4 atm pressure. In the receiver, pure glycerin is distilled. With release pressure. To remove the vacuum. After that, close using mental device. Stop water condenser, and after cooling we will dismantle the whole apparatus.